In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert equations into Google Docs, a skill that's incredibly useful for students, educators, and professionals dealing with complex mathematical data. Let's begin by setting up Google Docs. Start by opening your web browser. Make sure you have a stable internet connection for a seamless experience. Once your browser is ready, head to the Google homepage and sign into your Google account. If you don't have one yet, you'll need to create an account to proceed. Enter your email address, click Next, type in your password, and click Sign In. You are now logged into your Google account. Next, locate the small grid or box of dots, usually found in the upper right corner of the screen. This is the Google Apps menu. Click on it and scroll down until you find Google Docs. Click on Google Docs to open it up. Once you see the Google Docs interface, click on Go to Google Docs. Now you're all set to start a new document by clicking the blank document thumbnail, which gives you a fresh page to work on. Inside your new document, focus on the taskbar at the top. Click on the Insert menu. A drop-down will appear, and from there, select Equation. This action grants you access to a specialized toolbar for equations appearing just below the main toolbar. Now, let's explore further. Click on Insert again, and this time choose Special Characters if you need symbols for mathematical operations such as fractions or exponents. Drop into the categories and look for Math to access more relevant mathematical characters. The symbols are grouped for easy selection. Once you find your desired symbol, click on it to insert it into your document. A neat feature here is the ability to draw symbols directly into a box if you're not sure of the name or category of the symbol. This option is particularly useful if you need complex or uncommon characters. Simply click on the draw box, sketch your symbol, and Google will recognize it by offering you choices from which you can select. The equation toolbar also allows for typing shortcuts to hasten your input. For instance, typing a backslash followed by frac provides a fraction template. Insert the numbers you need, and there you go. You have your fraction perfectly formatted in your document. With these simple steps, you've learned how to insert and format equations in Google Docs. Practice these techniques to become comfortable and confident. Thanks for watching, and happy equation writing!